This is breakfast in my hostel. So I had a breakfast one day, so it was very nice. So this is toaster, your yogurt, fruit salad. This is non-veg ham and the cheese. So first we have to come here and show our ticket token. So they will give this plate and cup. So juice you can buy. So this is hummus. This is veggies. Excellent veggies, jam, butter, and different types of milk, different types of tea bags. So this is coffee and hot water machine. So now this is another set of coffee machine and hot water. So this toaster. This is the area where we can sit and have breakfast. So after 7:30 it will be very busy. So some people they have breakfast included in the package, but for me it is not included in the package. So I have to buy a ticket. I have to buy a token. So after eating our breakfast, we have to put our glasses, mugs, cutlery, lids, jams and jellies, everything, and all the leftover rubbish in the bins. So this is dirty dishes area. So this is excellent. So here is a water, drinking water. Today I am going to Bristol. So my train is 11:30. So I am finally saying goodbye to my homebirds hostel, city hostel. It is excellent. I have stayed here for 4 nights, and I am going with very good memories. So except washing and drying is expensive, bit like 5 pounds. Other than that, everything is perfect. So I will go to Paddington, and then I will take a train to Bristol. So my train is at 11:30. Now the time is at 8:30. So I have plenty of time. So yeah. So today is Sunday, 11th of May 2025. So I have to take this route to take. So I am taking this tube metro, underground metro from this Aldgate East. So actually I have to cancel. I have to get refund for some train tickets. So that's why I'm going to Liverpool Street. I have booked all the tickets in Liverpool Street station. So what happened on Friday, I have booked for Southampton, Portsmouth and Three Bridges, but I couldn't fully travel because of disruption between Clapham Junction and Victoria. So my time was wasted. So I have still tickets. So just I will go and check if I can get any refund for them. So I am going to Liverpool Street. This Liverpool Street from Aldgate East, Eastbourne platform is only one stop from here. So it just take 2-3 minutes. I have to take this train to go to Liverpool Street. So only one stop. So I go to customer service and spend some time there, and then I take a train to Paddington. So where I have to take a train to. So I got down at Liverpool Street. So now I have to go to customer service or ticketing area. So to discuss about my tickets on Friday. So I am using this my Mastercard. So gates are open, and I'm going like this. So customer service is nearby. So I go there and I will try to get compensation or refund. Then after that I will go to Paddington. So that is my plan for now. I came to my one of the most favorite stations in the London Liverpool Street, because first time I visited in the year 2002, October 20th. So from that time onwards, I really enjoy coming here and taking trains from this station. So excellent. Same. There is no change in maintenance or ambience or vibes. So it is still looking excellent. One of the best stations, because I have best experience with this train station. These are my most favorite platforms because trains from these platforms go to Chelmsford, so where I have lived for 5 years, 4.5 years. So but today is a Sunday. I think it service is not there. Like I can't see any train. See, it is W.H. Smith. So I asked customer service agent. He said there are no trains today to Chelmsford because there is a maintenance going on. So I have to take. You have to take bus to Billericay. From Billericay, we have to take a bus to Witham. So via Chelmsford. So lucky, I am not traveling today. I have completed like 3-4 days back. So always, weekend here is a bit tough. So there are regular maintenance or shutdowns. So it's better to travel during the weekdays in UK. So that's what I have learned a lesson from yesterday. So and day before yesterday. Yesterday it was like it was waste of 2-3 hours of my time because there was delays, cancellations. So this is the London Liverpool Street, and it's a great. See how beautiful is the station and the digital boards, display boards. So I always like or love these boards, and I can watch for hours together sitting here, but I don't have time. So I'm taking this Elizabeth line because it's a new line. It's a different. So I have to go to Paddington. I have to take westbound. So Paddington, Heathrow, Reading. Right side is Shenfield. So I am going now. Just now one train went. So just missed by 1 minute, but it's fine. So trains are very frequent. So I am taking a Elizabeth line train from westbound platform B. So it goes to Paddington, and it's very quick compared to other tube lines because it serves airport east of England like Shenfield, Ilford, so all those places. So see the westbound platform map. So I am here, Liverpool Street. So Farrington, Tottenham Court, Bond Street, and Paddington. So these are all Central London train stations. So yeah, I'm taking this. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.